While some computers look very different, they all have similar internal working parts. The hardware are the parts that you can see and touch, and the software are the applications or operating systems that you can't. Every computer has to have some way of inputting information. The input can be the keyboard, a mouse, a trackpad, a camera, or a microphone. The input gets processed by the brains of the computer, the CPU. The CPU is the central processing unit. This does the processing. It has a clock speed measured in megahertz or gigahertz. 1 megahertz is 1 million calculations a second, and 1 gigahertz is 1 billion calculations a second. The CPU executes the instructions it receives from the input via the software. The CPU communicates with the RAM, Random Access Memory. This is where the computer keeps the data that has been input in the short term. The results of any processing that has been saved are stored on the hard disk. The hard disk and the CPU are connected to the motherboard, which has the main components of the computer attached to it, such as sound cards, video cards, hard drives, and connectors for other devices. Finally, the user receives the output from the computer via output devices such as the screen or speakers, or via a printer.